In this video, we are going to show you how to use file collections in Mail and Deploy. To create a file collection, we first need to click Create Action and filter for Create File Collection. Next, we have to give our new collection a name. In this case, we name it Reports. We can move it to the start of our actions. Now we can create a child action in our inner cycle. We want to add our reports to the file collection, so we must search for the action Add Content to File Collection. Here we can give our reports the name of the inner cycle value, namely Current Sales Rep. We can now create a child action in the outer cycle to save our reports to the file collection. So, we click the action Save Content to File System. Then we add the output path including the outer cycle value called Current Team Leader in our case. We still need to change the content type from report document to file collection. As we are reusing the file collection for every team leader, we need to remove the reports already saved in it. To do this, we search Remove All Content from File Collection, click on it and press OK. Now we can start the task and monitor it in the Execution Status tool. As you can see, it is taking a while. Mail and Deploy is creating a file collection for every sales rep with all the sales analyzes and reports according to our Qlik app. And here we can see the result. Amelia Craig's folder, for example, contains all of her sales analyses as well as all of her team members' analyses. And that's it. Thanks for watching.